Welcome to this comprehensive guide on DevOps. DevOps is a software development methodology that combines development and operations teams to enhance collaboration, automate workflows, and accelerate software delivery. In today's fast-paced technology landscape, organizations need to deliver software faster without compromising quality. DevOps bridges the gap between developers who write code and operations teams who deploy and maintain it. By bringing these teams together, DevOps enables organizations to achieve faster releases, improved reliability, and better communication. DevOps is built on 4 fundamental principles. First is collaboration, where development and operations work as one unified team, breaking down traditional silos. Second is continuous delivery, which focuses on automating the release process and deploying code frequently. Third is customer-centric approach, where the primary focus is on delivering real customer value rather than just features. Fourth is data-driven decision-making, where teams make decisions based on metrics and feedback from production environments rather than assumptions. These principles form the foundation of successful DevOps implementation. Continuous integration, or CI, is a practice where developers frequently merge their code changes into a central repository. Multiple times a day, automated builds and tests run on each commit. This approach includes 3 key practices. First, frequent commits, where developers make small, incremental code changes integrated multiple times daily. Second, automated builds, where the code is automatically compiled and built without manual intervention. Third, automated testing, where unit and integration tests run instantly to catch bugs early. By catching issues early through continuous integration, teams can prevent bugs from accumulating and maintain code quality throughout development. Continuous deployment takes automation a step further. Every validated code change is automatically deployed to production with zero manual intervention, enabling rapid releases. This happens through 3 key stages. First is verification, where automated testing ensures the code passes all quality gates before deployment. Second is deployment, where the code is automatically released to production immediately after passing all tests. Third is monitoring, where real-time alerts and performance metrics track production health continuously. This automated approach means users get new features and bug fixes within minutes or hours of code commits, rather than waiting weeks or months for traditional release cycles. Once applications are live in production, monitoring and observability become critical. Real-time collection and analysis of metrics, logs, and traces enables teams to detect issues quickly, respond to incidents faster, and continuously improve system performance. Metrics track system resources like CPU, memory, latency, and error rates continuously. Logs provide detailed records of system events and application behavior for troubleshooting. Traces show complete transaction paths through systems, enabling root cause analysis when something goes wrong. Together, these 3 aspects give teams complete visibility into system health and user experience, allowing them to proactively identify and fix problems before users are affected. Security is not an afterthought in DevOps. DevSecOps integrates security practices throughout the entire software development lifecycle to identify and remediate vulnerabilities early. This involves 3 key practices. First, code scanning, where SAST and DAST tools automatically detect vulnerabilities in source code. Second, container security, where container images are scanned and security configurations are verified before deployment. Third, access control, which implements least privilege and role-based access management. By integrating security early and continuously, teams eliminate the traditional approach of bolting on security at the end, resulting in faster, more secure releases. The DevOps ecosystem includes many tools that work together. Docker enables containerization, allowing applications to run consistently across environments. Kubernetes provides orchestration for managing containers at scale. Terraform enables infrastructure as code, allowing infrastructure to be defined, versioned, and managed like application code. Jenkins automates CI/CD pipelines for building and testing code. GitLab CI integrates continuous integration directly into the version control system. Prometheus collects and stores metrics from applications and infrastructure. Grafana provides visualization of metrics and creates monitoring dashboards. The Elk stack, consisting of Elasticsearch, Logstash, and Kibana, provides centralized logging. These tools work together to automate the entire software delivery pipeline. DevOps encompasses several specialized roles. Release engineers focus on building, testing, and deploying application code to production. Infrastructure specialists provision and maintain servers, storage, and networking resources. Automation experts create scripts and tools to reduce manual tasks and errors. Security specialists implement security measures and manage vulnerability assessments. Monitoring professionals track system health, respond to incidents, and troubleshoot issues. Collaboration is fundamental, as all team members bridge gaps between development, operations, and security teams. These roles emphasize automation, collaboration, and continuous improvement rather than manual processes. DevOps offers excellent career growth opportunities. Junior DevOps engineers typically earn $70,000 to $85,000 annually. As you gain experience implementing DevOps tools and processes, you can advance to DevOps engineer positions, earning $85,000 to $115,000. Senior DevOps engineers earn $115,000 to $150,000 with increased responsibilities. DevOps architects, who design entire DevOps systems and strategies, earn $130,000 or more. Why choose DevOps? The field offers constant learning with new tools continuously emerging. DevOps professionals are highly in demand worldwide. The role provides direct business impact and visibility into the organization's success. Most importantly, there are rapid advancement opportunities as organizations increasingly adopt DevOps practices. Starting a DevOps career follows a structured learning path. At the foundation stage, beginners learn Linux fundamentals, Git for version control, and Python or Bash scripting. These are the pillars of DevOps. At the intermediate stage, you dive into CI/CD tools like Jenkins and GitHub Actions, learn containerization with Docker, and practice infrastructure as code with Terraform and Ansible. At the advanced stage, you master Kubernetes orchestration and explore cloud platforms like Oz, Azure, or Google Cloud, along with monitoring tools like Prometheus and Grafana. Top learning resources include Udemy and Coursera for structured courses, the roadmap.sh website for visual learning paths, Pluralsight and a Cloud Guru for video tutorials, Code Cloud Labs for hands-on practice, Linux Foundation for official training, and official documentation for tools. Start with the foundation stage, build practical projects at each level, and gradually move to more advanced concepts.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.